everyone!
Helo ffrindiau, dyma Aunty Donna ac Aunty Glen ydw i. Da ni am gael caneuon babis heddiw. Be am ganu helo ffrindiau? Helo ffrindiau, helo ffrindiau, helo ffrindiau, helo a sut wyt ti?
Yay! Today we're going to do a baby rhyme time. So let's start with blah blah to remember to have your babies face to face and sticking out your tongues. Are you ready?
Blah, blah, went the little green frog one day. Blah, blah, went the little green frog. Blah, blah, went the little green frog one day. So we all went blah, blah, blah. We know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, they don't go blah, blah, blah. A be am ganu yn Gymraeg broga? Blah, blah, meddai broga bach gwyrdd dydd. Blah, blah, meddai broga bach gwyrdd. Blah, blah, meddai broga bach gwyrdd dydd. Cyn neidio mewn i'r dŵr. Splash!
That's a nice one to do at bath time, Glenn.
Yes.
Splashing in the water. Oh, this is one of my favourites. This is eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. So remember to touch your baby's face very gently to point to the parts. Barod?
Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose. Eyes, nose. Cheeky, cheeky, chin. Cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose.
The babies love that one, Glenn.
Oh, they do, and you can see them smiling towards you. Oh, can bach newydd.
Oh!
Dwy lygaid bach a thrwyn sy'n gen i.
Okay.
Ceg bach
Right.
i wenu arna ti.
Oh, so can hawdd iawn. Nice and easy. Okay.
Dwy lygaid bach a thrwyn sy'n gen i. Ceg bach i wenu arna ti.
Can you read it eto, Glenn?
Oh, yeah, ti dod e. Dwy lygaid bach a thrwyn sy'n gen i. Ceg bach i wenu arna ti.
Oh, this is an old favourite. Round and round the garden. Ready?
Round and round the garden, like a teddy bear. One step, a two step, and a tickly under there.
Should we go round like a buzzy bee and give a love to
Oh,
me?
yes. Round and round the garden, like a buzzy bee.
A
One buzz, a two buzz, and give a love to me.
lovely.
Be am ganu Siani Flewog? Oh, ac yn barod i gosi denfa newydd dyn. Siani Flewog, ble rei di? Dring o fyny ar dy ysgwyr i dy gosi di.
Babies love being tickled, don't they?
They do, yes, they do.
Shall we have a nice twinkle twinkle?
Oh,
This is
it's an old favourite.
It is an old favourite. This is probably one of the first signs that the baby will do it if you're singing this at bedtime.
Yes, a nice routine,
It is a
isn't
nice
it?
routine.
Yes.
Barod?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Lovely.
Gobeithio gan i disglair i orffen, ia?
Oh, lovely.
Disglair, disglair, seren wen, roed mor ddisglair, seren wen. Yn yr awyr uwch fy mhen, darn o arian yn y nen. Disglair, disglair, seren wen, roed mor ddisglair, seren